How to get transcript of YouTube video. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application. After that, simply open any video. Play the video, and now in order to get the transcript of the video, what you will have to do is tap on this more icon, scroll down, and then you will see transcript. Tap on show transcript and your transcript will be here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.